Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some bundles that I received from Yiroo hair. Yiroo? I think I'm saying that right. I received their Brazilian body wave in a 16, 18, 20-inch bundles and a 14-inch closure. Actually, it was not a closure, it was a frontal. As you can see, the frontal was already pre-plucked. In here, I'm just showing you the bundles. The hair was extremely thick. And usually y'all know that I make my wigs, but this time I decided to let one of my friends sew my hair down. So I do have in a frontal sew-in. I did not make this into a wig. And of course, we chopped and screwed it into a bob, as you can see now. She did an extremely good job with plucking the front of this frontal and making it blend in with my hair. Now, I could tell y'all a little bit of how she did the hair because I don't really know all the products that she used, but I do know that she used Gots to Be glue to put the stocking cap down, and then she put some foundation on top of that, as well as the frontal, and the knots are bleached on the frontal as well. And then as you can see here, I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron the hair down. I sleep with a bonnet on my head and I do tie my hair down, so I haven't had any issues with the frontal. And I do believe she used a different type of lace glue to lay the frontal down. Not sure what the name of it is. If I text her and I get the name of it, I will put it up on the screen. So I know that she used the Care wax stick to go ahead and lay the hair down in the front as well. I'm going to show you how I get the famous bangs that I do, because I know a lot of you all ask me, how do I get my bangs this way? So of course, she did layer my hair as well, so it was easier for me to curl my bangs. But I usually just curl it away from my face, and then I take my comb and I rake my comb through the curls, and you will see the layer effect that I get with the curls in the way that she cut my hair. And after I curl my hair, I do go ahead and spray my Gots to Be Free spray to hold the curls. I don't really have any hairspray. I wouldn't recommend you use the Gots to Be Free spray, but that was something that I had on hand, so I went ahead and I used it. And this is my favorite part. So you just want to take a small rat tooth comb. I believe you call this a rat tooth comb. And just look at the bangs. Yes, girl. Okay, so I did record a part 2 to this video. It is a get ready with me. I was a judge in a pageant, so I will be letting y'all into the pageant side of me, and I'm going to be recreating this look. So if you haven't already, go ahead and click down in the description box on part 2 to look at the finished look of this video. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Also, I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box for this hair, so make sure y'all check them out.